Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the
Welcome to episode 11 of Dance Simplified. Today we will learn to do the Patty Duke hip hop dance. Before we start, let's quickly learn how to do the bounce and the rock step. So the bounce goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up, let's rock your body down on the same count: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's combine them, do the bounce and rock together: 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, time to focus on your feet. Step to the right side with your right foot on the count of 1, then bring it back on 2. Do the same to the left side, step with your left foot on 3, bring it back on 4. Now step to the right side 2 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat the same sequence starting with your left foot: 1, 2, 3, 4. Step to the left side 2 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the whole thing from the beginning, but this time we will be adding those bounce and rock step as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For your hands, make a fist like this. As you bounce down, lift both hands up, boom. And as you stand straight, lower them back down, boom. Let's do that again: 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's single single double and single single double. Feel free to add your own variation. For instance, you can step 4 times on each side: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can open and cross your arms while doing single single double: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's try with some music.
silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more beginner hip hop moves, click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.